In front of me is NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. All you need to do is go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Then what most people struggle with is finding your shortcuts. That's because to make them visible, you need to hold this line available under brightness slider and swipe it down. When you see all of your shortcuts, just tap on Auto Rotate 1, and if it's blue, that means that auto rotation is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!